My name is Timothytrespas, and I live aboard a boat. The reasons why I live aboard a boat are long and complicated, and you can watch some of my older videos if you're really interested in how I got here. Today, what are we doing? And why? Well, here's the big old engine, and when I tried to start it after the winter, weird, wonky, rap, won't start anyway. So this is my carburetor here, this thing. I took it off, and I'm gonna have to, I don't know, there's some float bowls in there, and some floats, and some valves and gears and stuff that I'm sure is all gobbled up and gucked up, and when I turned it upside down, all this fluid and oil and water and gasoline came out. So I don't think that this thing that heats up here is supposed to heat up and then open this whatever that's called, choke plate somehow automatically over a few minutes after it starts. Anyway, I took it off with a big old 318. It was really terrifying, but underneath, inside here, beautiful, clean, and those. Anyway, I'm not going to show you. I don't want to get anything in there. But all this gunk, that's got to go. That's why I was trying to, I don't really want to change these gaskets unless I have to here. I'm probably going to have to change these gaskets when I open the carburetor. There's a gasket here I'm going to have to order, and a gasket here. I think they're about $5 each or something. I'm not sure. This one looks kind of shot. This one is okay, but once you open it, it ungasketizes it. And there's like 30 little special little holes and all. It's just get a new one. Anyway, I'm going to try to vacuum this out. That's why I get the generator going. That's why I get the vacuum. I get the vacuum with this little sucky-uppy thing I made so I can get into all the little holes. And we're going to try to clean a little more. You can see over here we sort of cleaned already. Started cleaning up a little and de-rust it, de-greasify it, and then I got some red paint that I don't know what I'm thinking, but maybe I could just gonna paint this part red to keep the rust away. And I don't know, if you look underneath here, I don't know if you can even see under here, it's, my goodness. Yeah, I haven't even, yeah, I haven't even thought about that yet. So, anyway, that's the plan, and it's gonna rain in about 5 o'clock, a few hours, so I'm gonna just clean it up and then take a look at the carburetor. And I don't know if I'll be able to do it today because I don't have any gunk cleaner stuff, but I'll just put it back for now and order the gaskets and figure it out. Anyway, I ordered a new fuel filter here thingy. I managed to get a really good one, a Racor with the metal bowl so you can drain the water, and like $35 on eBay. Thank you. And so slowly but surely. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. I spent the day cleaning the gunk out of the top part of my engine, and took the carburetor off and sort of lightly cleaned the outside of it and painted the top part of the engine. Put the carburetor back on, and I did manage to get it started, although clearly there's something going on because it's not just starting right up, and it's not idling properly anymore, and it's not accelerating right, and it's not, something's not quite right. I think the carburetor needs a serious cleaning and adjustment. I may or may not have problems with the fuel pump, I'm not sure, but I definitely need to replace this fuel filter under here. Like I said, I was lucky enough to get one, actually just the kind that I need for an inboard on eBay for like 35 bucks, and it should be on its way in the next few days or week. And then I'll put that in, and I'll have some idea whether the fuel pump is needs to be replaced or cleaned or whatever. See, the engine is from 76, you know, or 72 or something, I don't know. 76. Anyway, down here, this thing here, behind that hose, is the fuel pump. It's a Carter mechanical fuel pump. That arm goes into the motor, and basically the arm sort of goes up and down, up and down, up and down, and pumps this diaphragm up and down, and that pumps the fuel and this line into this thing. And this should be like steady filled, but it's mechanical, so it goes as fast as the engine needs it, and I'm not quite sure if it's doing its thing. Usually there's gas in here, but right now it's empty. I don't know, I just started and it went, I got it running and blah, 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 blah. But the carburetor needs to be, I need to clean all the holes and clean out the things and reseat the jets and whatever you got to do, I don't know. Check the float bowls and the floats and whatnot. But hey, look, it's red. And it started. Now underneath it's still all yucky and rusty, and I'll do that later, but you know, there you have it. Not bad for a day's work, I guess. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all.